into the head, inside of the head are the arteries and the brain. So it sits inside of the head. And as you look at it, as you come up, this guy is the basilar artery, up from the center. Either branch on either side is called the posterior cerebral artery. Then we have two posterior communicating arteries. Posterior communicating arteries, two internal carotid arteries. The reason I drew them wider is they're thicker, so they're a little thicker in there. Then middle cerebral off to the side, so it's middle cerebral where it branches off to the side. Anterior cerebral arteries. Between those two are anterior communicating and then middle cerebral. Now, the circle of Willis. We said the circle of Willis contains posterior cerebral and posterior communicating, anterior cerebral and anterior communicating. So, it would be posterior cerebral, posterior communicating, anterior cerebral, anterior communicating. So technically, the internal carotid is not part of the circle of Willis. But when you have these guys with the external carotid is going to come up into, we said external carotid, we'll get into that in a minute, branches up into internal carotid. These come off the vertebral artery, and when you have headaches, this is why you get headaches, because this goes all the way up into your brain, and that's why you don't think clearly when you have a migraine headache, you feel dizzy, nauseous, eyes are sensitive, and everything else. So. All right, enough of my artwork. We have